So class, today we are going to learn about the mouse clicks or the mouse actions. In the previous class, we have learned that mouse is used to select and point at objects that we see on the screen. The arrow which moves on the screen moves when you move the mouse. So when you are moving the mouse, the arrow on the screen also moves. The arrow, the arrow on the screen is called as the mouse pointer. Mouse is usually kept on a flat pad. Yes, can you in the second picture you can see a blue cloth like thing on top of which the mouse is kept. So that is called as the mouse pad. So we keep the mouse on top of the mouse pad so that it can move easily, and it is also protected from any dirt parts of the mouse. So the cloth that is kept beneath is called the mouse pad. On the left side we have the left button, on the right side we have the right button, and in the center we have the scroll wheel. So there are three parts of the mouse, two buttons, left button, right button, and in the center we have the scroll wheel. Now, if you are using a laptop, or if you have a laptop, in the laptops we have a touchpad. So as you can see, there are two buttons also in the touchpad, left button and the right button. Now let's learn about the mouse actions or the mouse clicks. So a mouse is having two buttons. So when you click the mouse button, yes, it is called as mouse action or mouse click. When you click the buttons, it is called mouse action or mouse click. First is your left click. When you click the left button. So what happens when you click the left button? You can select anything. You can select anything. How in the Google Meet we select the mute button, we select the camera button. Yes, we can select the raise hand button. So for that, to select anything, we use the left click. Next is your right click. So what is the use of right click? When we click the right button, it is called the right click, and right click is used to get a list of commands. You can see in the picture also the different commands that we have got, or list of options. So when you do right click, when you click on the right button of the mouse, you get a list of commands. Double click. Double click is clicking the left button two times. Left button two, two times. So when you click the left button two times, or when you do double click, we can open an application. So if you want to watch a movie, you want to play a game, you want to open your seesaw. Yes, to open anything on your computer or your laptop, we have to do double click. Next is your scroll wheel. Yes, next is your scroll wheel. So what is the use of scroll wheel? The scroll wheel is used to move the page up and down. When we move the scroll wheel up, the page moves up. When we move the scroll wheel down, the page also moves down. So scroll wheel is used to move the page up and down. So these are the four mouse clicks that we have: left click, right click, scroll wheel, and your double click.